Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to run some dyno tests for the car. So if you don't know what the dyno test is, it's basically just to measure how much horsepower a car has. Sit, relax, and enjoy. All right, now to get started, you will go to App Store. You download the app from App Store. The app costs about $14, so you have to make some investment to get the app. The next thing is you need to do the calibration. So once you get the app, it will require you to do the calibration. And the video that is linked in the app, how to do the calibration, it's good enough to do the calibration. I will just skip to that step. And then the next setup that you will require to do is to enter some preliminary data, which is the fuel tank level. Like, are you on full tank or half or 75, whatever level you have. The next is going to add is your weight, how much weight you have. So you're going to enter that. And the next is some other numbers, like, you know, you do the registration of your car, what car you have, what make, what model, what year, and so forth. Once you have all that set up, then the next thing will be you just launch the application. So everything else, it's really straightforward except the setup. The calibration of the application might be a little bit complicated. However, it's once you get it, you will only have to do it once. I would drive somewhere where I have an open space to run the dyno, and let's do a couple of runs and test the data, see what numbers we get, and compare to the baseline, which is from factory, what they say, and what we get. At least if I get, you know, 10 runs, and then get the average and see what variations we have. So let's get started.